Equifax Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm giving you a clear, expert breakdown of Equifax and whether its credit repair tools are actually worth your time. First, you need to understand that Equifax is one of the 3 major credit bureaus, meaning it directly collects and maintains your credit data. That gives it an advantage over third-party credit repair services because you're dealing with the source of your credit information, not a middleman. One of the main features is access to your Equifax credit report, along with credit monitoring tools that track changes such as new accounts, hard inquiries, and negative marks. This allows you to stay on top of your credit profile and react quickly to any suspicious activity. Depending on the plan, you may also get access to credit scores and reports from all 3 bureaus, which is important because lenders don't rely on just one dataset when making decisions. When it comes to credit repair, Equifax offers a built-in dispute process that allows you to challenge inaccurate or outdated information directly. You can submit disputes online, upload supporting documents, and track progress in real time. This is one of the most effective ways to handle credit repair because disputes go straight to the bureau responsible for reporting the data. If an item cannot be verified, it must be corrected or removed, which can improve your score. Equifax also provides identity protection services, including credit alerts, identity theft insurance, and monitoring of personal information on the dark web. These features are useful if your goal is not just to repair your credit, but also to protect it from future damage. For users who have experienced fraud or want extra security, this adds significant value beyond basic credit tracking. However, there are some important limitations. Equifax does not act as a full-service credit repair company that handles everything for you. You still need to review your report, identify errors, and submit disputes yourself. Also, no service can legally remove accurate negative information. So if your credit issues are due to missed payments or defaults, the platform can't simply erase them. Another point is that while monitoring is helpful, it doesn't automatically improve your credit. You need to actively manage your financial behavior. Overall, Equifax is best suited for people who want direct access to their credit data, efficient dispute handling, and strong monitoring tools without paying for unnecessary middlemen. It's a solid option if you want control and transparency, but it requires you to take action rather than expecting a fully automated credit repair solution.